Okay. So the best panelistic for panel 1 is Mudit Mehrotra.
That's mentioned regarding the population structure, like in a long period of time, how will the age gap will increase. But I just want to mention her that if the age gap is increasing, like the age of the average age of the country is increasing, then the mortality rate is also speaker had a very good point here. Like he asked me what's the implementation and how would we can do. And still he is not implementing it. You will give him some punishment, either in the form of marks or either in some other forms in school. That's what we have to do here. We have to go for. I don't about the government's UCC draft in Uttarakhand. The government has implemented a uniform civil code in Uttarakhand. But the government of India exempted in 2047. If we have the point of Viksit Bharat by 2047, India has to thoroughly work on these issues, and I hope and I believe our India will lead the world in 2047. Thank you very much. Not going to say that if you support LGBTQ or if you support any of the communities, you are wrong or I'm right. But I am saying that in addition to that, I just want to say that government has specific policies regarding that. The rural regions are being added through the roads network, through panel discussions. Both the panchayats and all the pradhans have given the rights to violence. But due to the funding and delivery gap, according to the civil society audits, women are underutilized of the Nirbhaya fund, and the work center infrastructure is also degrading. I would like to keen your interest and judges panel this interest over this, that the health and nutrition according to the NFHS report is that persistent anemia. The major point that we have in our law is corruption. According to the CBT's transparencies, international corruption, India is leading the world. India is one of the largest economies in the world. And I believe many of the speakers here must have the points regarding our stance. That India is leading in every stance, whether it's agriculture, whether it's development or what.
तो जो बोलेगा उसके दो एंगल से फोटो खींचने वाले अलग
या
उतना बहुत होगा
मेक अ वीडियो